everyone.
Hi everybody.
This is my friend Jean.
And this is my friend Min.
제가 유튜브 코칭 세미나에 갔다 왔어요. 오늘은 그 이야기를 조금 나누면서 저희 채널에 약간의 변화를 같이 나누는 그런 시간을 가질 건데요. 영상을 다 보고 나서 여러분이 대답할 수 있는지 한번 셀프 체크 해봤으면 좋겠습니다. 마지막 부분에서 대답을 하셔야 합니다. 그러면 여러분의 영어에도 항상 있을 거라고 생각해요. 준비되셨으면 가겠습니다. Let's go! Jean, how was your weekend?
It was good. How about yours?
It was really great.
Ooh.
I went to YouTubers workshop in Seoul.
Great. What was it like?
There were 10 people in that group, and then the leader was like real announcer
Okay.
in Korea.
Great.
Yeah, and then he started YouTube last year, and he's got a lot of subscribers now.
Great.
And he gave us really good tips and ideas.
Great.
Yeah, how awesome! And you know what? He'd like to join us next time. Collaboration. Yeah, we started YouTube very naturally.
We did.
In the cafe.
Yeah.
It was really good start.
Yeah.
But actually, after the workshop, I got to know, if I knew these ideas and tips, then we'll be better now. Yeah.
Sure.
But it's always good to learn at the beginning.
It is.
Yeah.
But we learned a little bit as we went along.
Right.
But yeah, now you have professional advice.
He gave us tips about making thumbnails and titles.
So some technical advice.
So I'd like to change little by little.
Sure. What do you think we will change?
He mentioned about content. The copyright is the matter.
It's a challenge.
We don't really want to be risky about that.
Yeah. Plus, if other people write the books, we want to be careful about not.
We are reading the book to help the moms and the kids. But actually, it's always good to read with the real paper book, right? So we always put the links where to buy it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and then we don't really want to hurt the writers, right? So we probably not read as many books as before.
Okay. We'll still introduce books, right?
Yeah, good books. Yeah,
because that's my favorite.
Read fully.
Sure.
From next time.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be our big change.
Okay.
And also, I think we can use Korean a little bit more than before in our video.
That will be good for me.
Yeah, many people advise that we have like language barrier for them.
Sure.
Yeah, we always talk in English.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so that's our
Our
big
goal
change.
is to be more accessible to people.
Yeah, the leader started YouTube to improve his Japanese.
Oh, okay.
Which is very similar to my focus.
Right.
Yeah, I actually started, this English YouTube to improve my English as well. Yeah, not because I am excellent in English. I don't really think so. The workshop leader, Lee Kang-jun, announcer, really inspired me a lot with English.
Tell me.
I never heard about that things before, and I didn't really think that way, but he said, I really wish I could speak English just like you. Oh, really? There are so many people who are excellent in English in YouTube as well.
Sure.
This YouTube channel is really helping me with my English.
Yay.
Yeah, and now I want to help you with Korean too, sometimes.
I need a lot of help.
Yeah, so if you are really keen to learn English and Korean at the time, please join us.
Yeah.
구독하세요.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Come along with us.
Hopefully, we'll invite my leader, Lee Kang-jun, to our studio or, in any way.
Sure.
And then we'll have a talk in English because he started to learn English as well. We can maybe help him a little
Maybe.
bit. Yeah,
Maybe.
we'd like to.
Sure.
Okay. English talk 잘 보셨죠? 이제는 한번 들었던 것을 체크해보는 시간을 가져보도록 할게요. Let's summarize.
Let's summarize. So number one, where did Min go?
Right. She went to YouTube seminars in Seoul.
Absolutely. And number two, who did Min meet?
Yeah, who did I meet? She met Lee Kang-jun as a leader and other YouTubers.
Number 3.
Yeah,
Why are we changing the channel?
because of the copyright and advice.
Okay. Number 4. What will the channel be like in the future?
Yeah, we won't read as many books as before, but we'll do other stuff related to Korean and English.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
Please subscribe to our channel. We would
Yeah.
love for you to see the changes that are coming.
Yeah, we'll guarantee better content.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay, guys. See you next time.
See you next time.